there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into some essential run commands in Windows. But first, let's start with what run commands are. Run commands are shortcuts you can use to quickly open specific Windows tools, settings, and applications. Instead of searching through menus or icons, you can simply open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows key plus R and type the command directly. This is a huge time saver for anyone who wants to access system tools quickly. Today, we'll go over 5 essential run commands you can start using right away. Be very cautious when using the registry editor. The registry controls much of how Windows operates, so making changes here can impact your system. Make sure you know what you're doing before making any edits. Command 2. cmd command prompt. Next up is cmd, which opens the command prompt. The command prompt allows you to run text-based commands to interact with your system, troubleshoot issues, or automate tasks. For example, if you need to check your IP address, just type msconfig into the command prompt, and you'll see all the details of your network connection. It's a must-have tool for troubleshooting. Command 3. msconfig system configuration. Now let's take a look at msconfig. This command opens the system configuration tool, where you can manage your system's startup settings, boot options, and services. If your PC takes too long to start, you can use this tool to disable unnecessary startup programs and speed things up. You can also troubleshoot by booting into safe mode or managing system services. Command 4. appwiz.cpl programs and features. Next is appwiz.cpl, which takes you directly to the Programs and Features window. From here, you can uninstall programs or make changes to existing ones. Command 5. taskmgr task manager. Finally, we have taskmgr, which opens the task manager. This is where you can view running applications, background processes, and check your system's performance. Task manager is perfect for closing unresponsive applications, monitoring CPU or memory usage, and checking which programs are taking up the most resources. If your PC is slowing down, this tool can help you figure out why. And that's it. These 5 run commands, regedit, cmd, msconfig, appwiz.cpl, and taskmgr, are just a few of the many commands you can use to manage your Windows system more efficiently. They're quick, easy, and save you time navigating through menus.